Nutrition tips for fitness enthusiasts, meal planning, and healthy snack ideas. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Total Body Fitness. Today we're going to talk about nutrition tips for fitness enthusiasts, focusing on meal planning and healthy snack ideas. If you're looking to fuel your workouts and optimize your results, this video is for you. Let's get started. Meal planning tips. First, let's talk about meal planning. Planning your meals in advance can help you stay on track with your fitness goals and make healthier choices. Here are some tips to get you started. 1. Set aside time each week to plan your meals. Choose a day when you have some free time, like Sunday, to plan your meals for the week ahead. 2. Focus on including a balance of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates in each meal. This will help you stay full and energized throughout the day. 3. Prepare your meals in advance. Cook in bulk and store your meals in the fridge or freezer so you always have healthy options on hand. 4. Don't forget about portion control. Use measuring cups or a food scale to ensure you're eating the right amount for your goals. Healthy snack ideas. Now, let's move on to some healthy snack ideas. Snacking can be a great way to keep your energy levels up between meals, but it's important to choose the right snacks. Here are 5 delicious and nutritious options. 1. Greek yogurt with berries and a drizzle of honey. This snack is packed with protein and antioxidants, making it perfect for post-workout recovery. 2. Hummus and veggie sticks. This combination provides a good balance of protein, healthy fats, and fiber to keep you feeling satisfied. 3. Almonds and dried fruit. This portable snack is great for on the go and offers a mix of healthy fats, protein, and natural sugars for a quick energy boost. 4. Rice cakes with avocado and smoked salmon. This snack is rich in healthy fats and protein, and it's a delicious way to satisfy your savory cravings. 5. Apple slices with almond butter. This simple yet satisfying snack offers a mix of natural sugars, fiber, and healthy fats to keep you feeling full and energized. So there you have it. With these meal planning tips and healthy snack ideas, you'll be well on your way to fueling your workouts and achieving your fitness goals. Remember, nutrition is just as important as exercise when it comes to living a healthy lifestyle. So make sure to give your body the nutrients it needs to perform at its best. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Total Body Fitness for more fitness and nutrition tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.